Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 for insurance customer service step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 for insurance customer service, start by accessing your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Log in with your credentials to reach the main dashboard. Navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, select advanced settings for further options. Locate the Service Management area in the left-hand navigation pane. Choose Dynamics 365 for customer service from the available options. Select Inbound Email under the Email Configuration section. Ensure that the email router is configured correctly. If necessary, click on Configure Email Router and follow the prompts to set up. Return to the Settings area and select Email Configuration again. Next, navigate to the Mailboxes section to manage user email settings. Click on New to create a new mailbox for your insurance customer service team. Fill in the required fields including the user's email address. Assign the correct user to this mailbox to ensure proper access. Set the incoming and outgoing email configuration for this mailbox. Save the changes and close the mailbox settings. Select the newly created mailbox and click on Approve Email. This will verify the email address and allow for further configuration. Now, go back to the Service Management section. Choose Queues to set up customer service queues for effective case management. Click on New to create a new queue and name it accordingly. Set the appropriate settings for your customer service needs. Ensure that the queue is aligned with the necessary teams and users. Save the queue settings to finalize the setup. Next, navigate to your customer service app within Dynamics 365. Begin customizing forms and views to suit your business requirements. Adjust fields and layouts to enhance user experience for your insurance representatives. Define case types that are relevant to your insurance services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.